Welcome back to Onion Foods. Today we are making a crunchy, spicy and protein-rich tea time treat, Onion Vada Nashta. A quick deep-fried snack packed with flavor and texture. Let's get started. Take 1 cup finely sliced onion in a bowl. Make sure to slice the onions thin for better crispiness. Add 2 chopped green chilies, half teaspoon ginger, 3 tablespoon peanuts, 3 tablespoon cashew nuts, 2 tablespoon sesame seeds, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Now add half cup rice flour, 1/4 cup suji, and half teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Adding nuts like cashews and peanuts give this vada a rich crunch. Suji helps add that extra crisp outer layer. Vadas are originally a South Indian snack, but each region has its own twist. Onion vadas are also known as pakoras in many parts of India. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons water and mix again to bring the mixture together. Don't add too much water, just enough to bind the ingredients. You can add a pinch of baking soda for a fluffier texture if desired. Take small portions, shape them gently, and prepare all vadas. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Drop in the vadas and fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. Onions are rich in antioxidants and support immunity. Peanut and cashews add plant-based protein and good fats. Always fry on medium heat to ensure these vadas cook evenly inside. Sesame seeds are great for bone health and digestion. Rice flour is gluten-free and lighter than regular flour. That's it, crunchy, flavorful onion vada nashta in just a few easy steps. It's a perfect monsoon snack or party starter your family will love. Have you ever tried vada with peanuts and cashews? Tell us your version turned out in the comments. Like this recipe, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to follow Onion Foods for more fun snacks ideas.